Alright, good morning. So for today's video, it's the second episode of the Meetup Team Up series. So very grateful that one of the viewers messaged me and decided to meet up and team up. So today we will be playing 2v2. We will be playing 2v2. I'm teaming up with si Patrick. Ayan, so si Patrick. Magti-team up kami today. We will be playing 2v2 against, again, the husband and wife tandem. Si Andrew.
I'm here again.
Yeah, and si Mitch. Mga nagpe-prepare kasi sila for a tournament here in the Philippine Navy. There's a 2-man scramble tournament this week. So they're preparing, kami ni Pat. We will be teaming up. So it's a match play. Mag-match play kami. So friendly wager lang. 200 pesos. 100 pesos each lang per player. Ayan. So, ayan Pat. Introduce natin si Pat. Ayan Pat. Thank you very much for the support. Anything you want to connect? I'll just, nahiya pa si Pat. Nilalagay ko na lang yung link niya later kasi he owns a business. So, yan, baka you want to support. It's in Green Hills. Mga Japanese grocery products. Ayan. So, see you at the fair race. Alright, starting our match. Hole number 3. 190 yards. Hitting a 6-iron.
Nice! Wow!
Kamting. Uy, ang ganda ng sipa, sir.
Good! Pero ganda ng patama. Wow! Sinampal.
Ay, sumabit.
Start of our match. Okay, so this new series, the Meetup and Team Up, it was inspired, shout out to my new friend na we played a few days ago, si Paul. And so that's how I came up with the idea of the Meetup Team Up. So this is something that I'll continue to do. So it's an open invitation to everyone. If you're interested to meet up and team up, we can play a 2v2 scramble as a team. Tapos if not, if wala tayong mahanap ng mga magiging kalaban for the 2v2, we can team up and maybe break 65, or maybe we can discuss naman kung anong gusto nating target based on the handicap. But maybe we can just do a break 65 series. So yeah, just comment, message me privately if you want to play together, and yeah, meet up and let's team up. So thank you very much for all your support, and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. We are taking Pat's tee shot. So we're left with landed little left of the green. Right to left, 19 yards to the flag. Medyo mabagal. Tapos si Andrew and Mitch, they're already putting. They're just on the fringe, putting for birdie. Ganda. Okay na yan. Good shot, good shot.
Nice shot. Uy, pasok mo na. Galing talaga. Galing.
Sakto lang. Parang isang laro pa natin yan, Mitch, sa mahina. Okay, this is to half the hole. Ay! Okay. Half. We are playing hole number 4, playing 324 yards. Dog leg left. So currently the match is all square. Okay, Andrew and Mitch, they're taking Andrew's tee shot. Left with 110 yards. Slightly open lang. Maganda yan! Masyado lang yata malakas. Oo. Ganda yung linya. Yung pero sakto yung... Okay, we are taking my tee shot. We're left with 90 yards to the flag. Sila Andrew sumobra lang. Ganda! Maganda yan! Maganda yan! Nice shot! Nice shot, partner! Nice shot, nice shot. Okay.
Nice shot.
Kaliwa din. Tama na. Oh, lakas ng talbog.
Oo.
Nice shot, partner. Okay, pating for bird. Kasi parang automatic na ko-compress. Okay, this is for to go up and down. That's their putt for par. Okay, kami naman ni Pat, we're putting for birdie. We're taking Pat's tee shot. Ay, second shot. Okay, for birdie. To go one up. One up! Mahina lang, mabagal. Hindi ganun kabilis, ano? Hindi rin bumali. And Andrew to half the hole. Also for par. Oh, pinapakaba pa yung asawa. Andrew to keep the match all square. Oh, no doubt. No doubt. Good putt, brother.
Magpapamassage ka mamaya.
Buhat. Kaya pala stretching na. Alright, playing hole number 5. This is our third hole. Playing 115 yards. Match is currently all square. Both teams made par.
Nice shot.
Maaga lang nag-draw. Okay yan, patong yan.
Go. Short naman. It's okay.
Ay, puli! Sabi ko. Short din. That was a terrible tee shot na short ko. So we're left with 17 yards. Right to left. Mabilis to, bro. Ay, malakas. Okay lang. That's okay. Bite! Andrew and Mitch to win the hole for their birdie. Just off the green. Yun. Pasok. Short pa rin, Mitch. Nalakas naman. Okay lang. Uy, walang bali. Ah, malakas lang. No?
Nice shot. Sinabit pa.
Okay, hole number 6. That was a good par. Up and down for par. We are still all square. Ah, bro. Uy, nakakabig talaga ni Mitch ngayon, ah.
Wow.
Okay. Okay lang yan. Preferred light tayo, 1 clubhouse.
Nice. Uy,
Go.
Ano, 1 clubhouse nga?
1 clubhouse. You are daw, sabi ni Wing.
Ay, laga. Shoot. Yun, lusot mo. Lusot mo, walang tinamaan. Wala akong nakita bumaba, ah.
Nagpas?
Okay, we're taking... Lumagpas? Okay, we took Patrick's tee shot. Very unfortunate, nasa ilalim kami ng puno kanina. So left with 30 yards, we're taking my second shot. So it's 30 yards to the flag. Ano to, Weng? Kaliwa?
Right to left, sir.
Pero maliit lang, ano?
Opo. Uy.
Ay, nabitin.
Bite.
Okay, Mitch and Andrew. Third shot to go up and down for par. Okay. That's their par putt. Malapit na. Mr. Cortez to go up and down for par. Okay, malakas lang ng konti. This is to go. Kaya muna. This is to go up and down. Okay. Go up and down for a bogey. Right to left, brother. Mahina. Okay lang, okay lang. Ano lang na tumama na sa fringe.
Lakas eh. No?
Andrew and Mitch to win the hole. Shoot nyo na, parang hindi na magpapat. For bogey na to eh. Sila for par. Yun, good putt. Nice putt. Okay, one down tayo, partner. Habol tayo. Nice putt, Mitch. Back. Okay, hole number 7. 327. So si Andrew and Mitch are currently 1 up. There you go.
Wow, tawid yan.
QI 35 power. Safe mo. Sige, go ahead. Ayun, pumalakpak. Okay, okay. Nice shot, partner. Nagdraw. 4 sa inyo. Ay, GUR.
Yun yung problem. Nice shot!
From TaylorMade.
Binili ko.
Andrew and Mitch, both with mga 110. They're taking Andrew's tee shot. Yan, ganda.
Ganda ng QI 10 talaga.
Kick left. Nice shot. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Bro, wag mo masyado i-cheer. One down tayo. Ay. Ganda. Kaliwa lang. Oy, short. We are taking Patrick's tee shot. We're left with 90 yards. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Okay, we are taking my second shot. Left to right.
Yun, inside.
Bite.
Okay, Andrew and Mitch for their birdie. This is to outright win the hole, to go 2 up. Pasok! Out pat. Okay, hole number 8. Andrew and Mitch, they're still currently 1 up. Hole 8 is playing 150 yards. Hitting a 9-iron. Ganda, Drew! I-shoot mo na! Do it! Ay, short! Pero patong-patong. Right in front of the green.
Wow, ganda niyan.
Okay na, patong yan.
Patong yan,
partner. Patong yan, right? Middle of the green.
Nice shot.
Partner.
Wow.
Ay, kaliwa.
Marami pa akong wedge dyan. Mga gusto mo. 50-54.
Ah, talaga?
Wala na 54.
Wala.
Andrew and Mitch to go up and down for par. Kami, we're taking Patrick's tee shot, no? For birdie siya. Kami. Ganda, Mitch! Uy! Ay, ay! Nice shot, Mitch. Pinasok. Nice shot. Okay, birdie na raw ni Pat. Para soli bird. Natural birdie. 9 paces, brother. Ewan ko kung by pace ka. For natural birdie. Go! Mahina lang! Sama yung linya. Good try, partner. Ano?
The hole. In the hole. Ay, kumali sa dulo.
Okay, Andrew and Mitch to half the hole. To be still 1 up. Nice putt. Okay, 1 up pa rin. Good putt, Mitch. Okay, hole number 9. We are still 1 down. Playing 511 yards. Kanan lang.
Four! Right!
Right.
Yun! Ayun!
Okay.
Member spot.
May mga ganun. Ay, 4, wing, 4! Ay, kanan lang. Okay. We are taking my tee shot. Malayo pa kami. Mga 270 yards pa. Si Patrick will hit a 3-wood. Shape mo. Ay, laglag. Ay, nag-cut. Okay lang, safe yan. Fairway yan. Ay, rough lang. Ay, sumabit pa rin. Ayun, okay lang. Eh, bumalik. Thank you. Si Wengder Woman. Oo nga, actually. Kasi, ayan. So, teammates kami ni Pat. So, Pat, thank you very much for messaging and wanting to meet up and team up. Pero currently, we are 1 down. Makabawi na lang tayo. Ano ba favorite course mo, Pat?
Kahit saan naman ako.
Basta nasa golf course?
Yes. No, but we play madalas sa Hollow Ridge.
Oh, okay. One of the more challenging na
Yes, but it's
public.
long course pala.
Sobra.
Yes,
Oo, sobra. Sobrang long course.
So nasanay ako doon na nilalakad namin. We don't
Ako din. Oo.
take
Golf carts.
golf carts. So,
Oo. Ayan.
tapos Camp Aguinaldo kasi malapit sa
Oo nga, kanina nasa likod mo lang. Ayan pala sila. Ayun, magpa-punch out. Okay.
So
Sige.
thank you bro for,
Of course. Ako nga, thank you very much for the support and wanting to meet up and team up. Na-inspire ako dun sa ganun yung mga nag-message. So para naisip ko, magti-team up kami. So teammates kami ni Pat ngayon. Ayan, so ang handicap daw ni Pat, ano ba handicap mo, Pat? 18. Oh, ayan.
Malayo pa ako.
Pero self-taught. Self-taught. Parehas kaming YouTube University, YouTube Academy. Sino ba teacher mo? Si Rick Shields din ba? Halo-halo. Lahat sila. Ayan. So again, thank you very much for the support, Pat. Anything that you want to promote?
Thai, Japanese whiskeys, mga ganyan.
Talaga ba?
Products, yes.
Marami akong kaibigan na naghahanap.
Yes.
Mga hibiki, tama ba?
Hibiki, Yamazaki, all the limited edition. So we supply locally in the Philippines. Thus we source it out from different countries. So that's the reason that we travel at least once a month.
Nice, to
Take
Japan.
all those, the release.
Oh, perfect.
The newly released. We just sold the Chokuriwaki set recently, which is like 4 bottle set and it's limited release now. And
So again, thank you very much, Pat.
thank you bro.
Thank you for connecting. New friend. Okay. Lalaroin na namin yung third shot namin. Okay, we're taking my second shot left with 100 yards. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Ganda. Go. Kick right. Ganda yan. Okay. Good shot, partner.
Naku po, patay.
Ang layo. Ano yun? Andrew and Mitch. Also their third shot. Around 100 yards as well. Short. Go. Go. Olympian talaga. May Olympian at saka may Serena dun, no?
Hindi ba Shoko yun?
Andrew and Mitch to go up and down for par just outside of the green. Kami. Oh, galing. You know, lakas, mabilis. Mabilis, lumagpas lang. Make a ball. makeable. We are taking Pat's third shot. This is for birdie. 14 paces. Left to right. Kulang pa sa kaliwa. Medyo bilis. Mabilis din.
Tama na.
Sa diretso ibibigay nyo? Wala bang kanan?
Mahilig daw diretso yung magpapat.
Firm na diretso. Oh, wala nga, na diretso nga. Parang kumalikan. Okay, bogey na pa sila. Okay, all square na pala. Kinabahan pa kami ng konti. Never short. Okay. Nung pala. Okay. All square, all square. Okay. Hole number 10. Second 9. Currently, we are now all square. So, playing 142 yards against the wind. Ay, di ba ka 9 iron? Ay, dala mo, Weng? Pitching? Tingnan mo, abot yan? Sige, kay Weng. Kung hindi umabot, kay Weng ang sisi. Ay, ganda. Kaliwa lang. Nag-draw sa dulo eh. Ganda, Drew. Gitna, gitna, gitna. Uy, ay short. Short. Bunker din.
Sakto, bunker na.
Okay. We have a better angle using Patrick's tee shot. So we're left with mga 15 yards to wena, no? Left to right?
Right to left.
Right to left.
Tayo na. Bye! Mabait yun.
Malayo lang.
Mitch and Andrew for birdie to go one up again. Short! Nabitin. Para hindi siya lagpas-lagpas or short na short. We have this putt. Okay, kinabahan ka ng konti. Okay, we have this putt to half the hole ulit. Ano bigyan nyo? Right to left?
So bakit? Kanan?
Right to left ba? Ah, tama. Uy, walang bumali. Hindi bumali, no? Ano, right inside?
Right
Sige,
inside.
Hindi naman na-shoot.
Hindi bumali. Pero tama yun, kung end over end yung putt mo eh.
Yun ang clutch, pasok. Yun ang clutch! Yun ang clutch! Magaling mga yan!
Okay, hole 11, that was a clutch putt. Okay, we are still all square. So, depende na ngayon. Kung safe si Pat, I will try to go for it. If not, I'll play safe. Ay, kanan!
Oh no!
Uy, kumanan!
Draw. Finally! Wala ako sa kanan.
4 ba yan?
Buti lang safe yung tira ni Andrew. They're left with 150. Okay, they're left with 150 yards. Kanan lang.
Tapos pag stiff ka, lahat stiff yun siya.
We are taking my tee shot. Left with 126 yards to the flag. Takot kaming sumobra. So I'm hitting a full 50-degree wedge.
Nice shot.
Ganda yata yan. Deep right.
Takbo.
Tira pa.
Bounce right.
Okay. Ay, nag-K-fade lang sa dulo. Oh!
Patong din.
Okay lang, patong pa rin. Good
Hindi
shot,
yung
partner.
fairway, tapos yung araw, tapos green na green yung ano.
Both teams putting for birdie. Short pa rin! Ang ganda ng roll. kay Andrew for birdie. Kitang-kita niya na yung read nung kay Mitch. Pero malayo pa rin. Sinobrahan mo naman. Okay, we are taking my second shot for birdie. This is to go one up. Mukhang left to right. Mabagal to, Weng. Nakakuha. Ay, kulang pa. Kulang pa.
Break din sa dulo.
Okay, hole number 12. We are currently all square still. Sayang yung birdie putt na yun. Okay, very grateful. Ayan, nagkakabonding din si Patrick at saka si Andrew. Yan! Okay, sa Blue Tees, it's playing 140 yards. Hitting a pitching wedge.
Nice.
Ganda. And at least na-meet mo in person yung idol ko.
Ha?
Na-meet mo sa in person yung idol ko.
Sit! Sit! Sit!
Sobra?
Yun na yan. Perfect distance.
Mitch and Andrew for birdie. Mahina pa rin, Mitch. Mahina pa din. For birdie. Alam mo, parang binomba mo na yun ng sobra. No? Akala ko, mabagal. Oh, mabagal. Mabagal. Tanungin na rin natin, Drew, ano binigay mo? Nakita ko naman kaliwa. Halos kalahating grip.
Sa Santa Elena,
Sobrang bilis.
tsaka yung damo doon, yung fairway, sobrang kapal.
Oo,
Ganda.
parang ano din, bilyan mo. Ay, Mark.
Layo.
Sobrang bagal. Okay, hole number 13. We are still all square. 489 yards. Okay. Stop turning. Don't turn. Huwag ka sasabit. Ay, sumabit. Okay lang, fairway. Sa may GUR. Ay, nag-bleed right. 4 for right!
Kaboom! Ayan, 2-shot hole yan, Luigi. Layo!
16. Feeling ko lower. We are taking my tee shot, left with 214 yards to the flag. We will both go for it. Ako, I'm hitting a hybrid. Ay, nag-fade lang sa dulo. Safe mo lang. Oo, fade, di nag-fade. Bunker yan. Bunker. Biglang hindi kami pwede ni Doy. Left with 100 yards. Bunker. Ayun, lumabas. Okay. Lakas ng hangin, no? No? Hinangin, ano? Anong bago? Nasa fringe na naman yung mga Olympian.
Wala namang uli.
Kaya na. Okay, left with 29 yards to go up and down for birdie. Left to right. Mabilis yan eh, no?
Go!
Ay, mahina. Ay, nailang. Andrew for birdie. Uy! Pakimark. 40. Ayan, magpis pa rin yata. Okay. May kabal. Uy, kulang pa. Hole 14, match is still all square. Hole number 14, 510 yards. Ganda, gitnang gitna.
Wow!
Iyon ang maganda. Carry yung bunker.
Good drive.
Good drive, partner.
Binabaan mo yun, Luigi, no? Sinadya mo ba? Binabaan mo?
Yung tee?
Oo.
Binababaan ko na talaga. Maganda? Ganda, Chard? Nakita?
Lalim ng puno.
3 under? Saan kayo? Sa kanan, kaliwa? Kanan. Okay.
Uy, sobrang kulot naman.
Parang playable. Andrew and Mitch. This is to go up and down for birdie. Left with 100 yards. Ganda! Ganda! Nice shot, Mitch! Ganda ng tira ni Mitch. Yan, patong na sila. Tama! French ka! Repair. We are taking Pat's second shot. 50 yards to the flag. Go! 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 Hina lang. Sayang. Okay. Bite! 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 Talaga na malakas.
Nag-roll out. Hindi nag-bite.
Both teams are putting for birdie. Kaso sa amin ang layo. We have 12 paces. Left try niyan, Chard. Mahina. Mahina. Okay, kulang yung bigay namin. Hindi ba kulang yan? Lumaylay lang nun sa ano? Okay.
Pangatlo na yan, sir.
Ha? Parang short, no? Akala ko yung short eh.
Akala ko shoot na eh.
Short? Akala mo short?
Papalik na eh.
Wala nang pupuntahan.
Oh! Yun na! One up! Nice spot! Hindi ko... Na-videohan ko lang yung sumut na. Nice spot, Mitch. Okay, one up, one up. One up na kayo. Nice spot. Galing naman nun.
Galing ng team na to.
Pwede ka ba ma-interview? Ano masasabi mo sa pat?
Ginawa mo.
Okay, hole 15, what a clutch putt by Mrs. Cortez. They are now currently one up. So hole 15, 442 yards. Okay lang. Slight bleed lang. Ako din yung 3-wood ko tsaka hybrid ko 10. Ay, nag-bleed lang.
Nice drive. Grabe. Yan, jabong yan.
What a friend.
Galing.
175 yards against the wind. Hitting 7 iron. Go for it. Draw. Ay, fade pala. Sorry, fade. Sige pa, huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Parang nasa ano, parang patong, parang in front of the green. Nice shot, partner. Nice shot, nice shot. Okay, unfortunately sila Drew, that's their third shot. Need to punch out sila. Ay, hindi nag-draw.
Sabi sa'yo, sobra sir eh.
Over the top talaga. Okay, Jong? 110? 120. Okay, Andrew left with 120 yards to the flag. To go up and down for a birdie. Uy, maganda na sipa. Okay. We might have won this hole. We are chipping for birdie. Ay, sorry, for eagle to. Tapos sila Andrew pala na tubig. So they're up and down for bogey.
Kaliwa? Dito sa dalawang buta?
Kaliwa pa nun.
Ha?
Oo, mabilis yan eh. Kailangan medyo palaylay. Malakas yan. Tama na.
Nalaglag na.
Mabilis talaga yan. Sige. Wow, wag mo na may shoot. Wag mo i-shoot. Okay. Okay, papat ko na lang daw. Oh, dun nga sa dalawang ano. Okay, thank you, Wing.
For eagle. Pasok mo, partner. Pasok mo! Ayan na, kumaliwa!
Ay! Ito.
Mabagay.
Oh!
Hole number 16, playing 110 yards but against the wind. We are now currently all square with that birdie.
Pick right. Okay, sir.
Okay lang, fade. Oh, pwede, tatama sa puno. Parehas tayo. Ay, sayang.
Yun, fade kapanan. Yun! Nahayos!
Nakikinig yung bola ko ngayon. Birdie na naman. Ah, yeah, so pwede. Good putt. Okay na, Mitch. Unless you wanna practice it pa.
Yeah.
Olympic couple. Si Carlos Yulo at saka si Heidi Lim. Okay. This is for birdie. Malakas, Drew. Na bomba. Feeling ko yung sa'yo, Drew, mas maganda. Okay, we have this putt to win the hole. Partner, to go one up.
One up tayo?
Pag ba-shoot natin? Oh, shoot mo na.
18 holes na yung nakalipas eh.
Bago lumamang. 4 paces, left to right.
Ha? So bilis ang putin?
Kuha! Uy, malakas lang. Para isang cup lang, ano? No? Ang bigay mo? -1?
Opo.
Nice! Yes!
Back to back.
Okay, good putt, Mitch. Okay. Oo nga, one putt cast. Yung game 1 pala talaga. Grabe na yun dito sa par 5. Okay, hole number 17. We are now currently 1 under and 1 up na sa match namin. So, hole 17 is playing 175 yards. Slightly with the wind. So, I might hit either a 7 or 8 iron. But leaning towards an 8 iron.
Wow! Nice! Four left! Hindi naman abot. Hindi abot. Over the bunker. Bunker yata. Sarap ng tubig.
Yun! At least patong! Okay, 300,000!
Hey, hanapin mo ang butas.
300,000! Tama na! Tama na! Nice shot, partner! Ayan, she's on the green! Yun oh! Tama yung gulong niyan.
Kick right ka.
Kick right!
Ano yung pinap...
We are taking Patrick's tee shot. Ganda ng linya eh, sayang. So we are 18 paces right to left for birdie. Sila Mitch and Andrew also, they're just outside. Again, nasa fringe na naman sila. Buti wala kaming Olympics.
Diba? Naririnig ko lang dati si Luigi sa YouTube. Pinanood ko.
Teammates na.
Laro na kami.
Yeah, hello, tsaka 1-up tayo, partner. Thank you sa ano. Thanks for messaging.
Idol kayo.
Ito idol ko, si Weng. Weng the Woman. Bakit ganun bungis-ngis mo, Chard? Mahina. Mahina lang. Kulang pa sa saging.
Indol! Ayan na! Ipasok mo!
Mahina, ang ganda ng linya.
Sabi mo diretso.
Kanan, sir.
Anong kanan? Kanan ng ganon?
Kasama niyo yung
18
Grill tournament fee. Tapos
laying up
lunch and dinner kasama.
with 50 degrees.
Lagi Jay.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Yun.
Isipin mo, pro na tutukoy.
Oo.
Dahil sa sobrang lalim.
Ano, may sobrang kapal.
Yun, nice.
Madalas yun ano yun? Okay, hole number 18. We are still currently... We are taking my tee shot left with 220 yards to the flag. Better short than long, hitting 4 iron.
Then, winner. Ha?
We are 1 up. Ganda! Ay, kumahanan lang. Okay lang, at least. Okay, good shot, partner. Masaya dan. Nakamulang ganda na yung angulo na yan.
Yun oh.
Ay,
Kanan.
masyado.
Malayo tayo, kaliwa kanan.
Maganda yung sayo. They are chipping for up and down for par. 23 yards to the flag. Ay, sorry. Kasi naman. Ganda. Bite. Okay na yan. Good shot, partner. Kasi ginagawa mo kong payong. Hindi ko alam na may tao na pala sa likod ko.
Yun oh. Ang ganda naman.
Ay. Kailangan natin ito idikit.
Yun! Wow! Galing.
Nice spot. No pressure. Okay.
Walang ano,
They are in for par. Ay, ganun talaga yan. Nice spot. Okay, good par. Okay. All square. Woo, buti na lang nadikit. Playing the last 2 holes. Hole number 1 and number 2. We are still currently 1 up. Let's go, partner. 1 up. Subukan natin.
Gawin natin 2 up.
Subok. Para tapos na. Pag nanalo tayo sa butas, tapos na. Nagpakita ng gilas na yung idol ko. Nice shot, brother.
Layup lang ba yan?
Oo, mahirap tawirin yun. Ganun pa rin, kung kumapa.
Good.
We are taking Pat's tee shot. Medyo pares kaming 60. He is punching out. Ako ang going up. Angat, 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 angat. Ay, safe. Okay, at least safe.
Oh, galing. Pasok! Laglag! Yes! Galing!
Sila Andrew, hindi ko na videohan. They're just right off the bunker daw, around the green. Kami were left with 155 to the flag to go up and down for our birdie. Either hitting a 9 iron or 8 iron. Fade, 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 fade. Maliwa lang. Kaliwa.
Yun o. Ganyan. Sakto yan. Green.
Sana, sana, sana. Okay, shout out sa Kambal. Si Brian at saka si Jong. Anong yardage na, Bray?
Tingnan mo, sakto.
30.
Ano na lang to?
Oo nga, sayang. Kumaliwanag. Di lang nag-fade yung bola mo eh. Ano kayo? Sorry. 40 yards to the flag. Bumabagsak. Bumabagsak. Nagmamadali. Binibigyan talaga kami ng chance ni Mitch. Okay, 40 yards to the flag. To go up and down for their birdie. Malakas. Pinagbibigyan talaga kami ng Cortez couple. We are chipping for Eagle. For Eagle to go up and down for a par. Sila Drew, malayo ng birdie putt. Left to right. Malakas lang. Okay na, makeable na yan. Uy, sakto. Okay, in for par. Good putt. Ay, good shot, partner. Diyan kung saan yung bola niya, no? Okay. Galing, ha?
Nirent nila yung tindahan ng 50k for 4 hours.
4 hours?
Rinos namin.
Oh.
Hindi sila natapos.
Extend.
Oo.
Another 50. Good
Like?
putt.
Galing magpat talaga
Ni Mitch, no? Tsaka wala nang isip-isip. No hesitation. Medyo nag-isip nga siya ngayon dito eh.
May science pala yun, ha?
Ayan na, may chance. All square. Okay, Dormy.
Either win or tie lang.
Partner?
Nice.
Win or ano lang tayo? Win or tie?
Win or tie. Sila?
3 points. Hindi, ano na tayo eh. Alright, hole number 2. It's either we win or we tie na lang. So, we're still 1 up. Hole number 2, last hole, 447 yards. Ayan. Uy! Kitang-kitang na iwan.
4!
Yun, oh! Pinalo na niya. Sakto yan sa ilalim. It's right.
Lumabas.
Okay, good luck. Hindi na ako titira.
Yun! Mataas lang. Actually, medyo mataas na dyan, Tio. Okay lang, good shot, partner. Andrew and Mitch, unfortunately, they are inside the woods. They need to punch out. Ganda! Nice out, Mitch! Ganda ng out ni Mitch. Okay, right in the middle of the fairway. Para maglaro? Saan din makaka? To play? Ay, hindi pa. Nagpaplano pa lang. Wow! Nandun na si Drew. Right before the bunker.
Tinira niya from there?
Oo!
Ay, wow.
Nice shot, Drew!
Galing!
Galing talaga mag-punch yan eh. Nice shot, Drew! Okay. Galing naman ng umbrella boy ko, oh. Okay. Okay, 150 yards. We need to draw the golf ball. Ganda ng punch out ni Drew. Right in front of the bunker na. Ay, hindi nag-draw.
Mag-gamit tayo, tatawid mo dun sa taas.
Ayun, bumalik ka. Nice shot. Nice shot. Bumalik.
Mama sa sana.
Tumama sa puno. Ayun,
Kang sasabi.
Sayang, hindi ko na videohan yung tira ni Mitch. Dikit na naman sila. Okay. They have that for par. We need to stick it close also. Ilang yards pa kayo? 25? 30 yards na. Dikit na si ano? Si Mitch.
Ay, mahina.
Na Fred effect ka ulit ah. Okay, nice shot Mitch. Sayang, sorry di ko na videohan. Okay, we are taking pats. Shot, ay second shot. Ganda! Okay na yan, make.
Sabi ko sa'yo parang dark.
Patabol. Nice shot. Nice shot. Okay.
Yun o. Sakto! Pasok mo na!
Okay, both teams putting for par. Mas malayo lang kami ng konti. Clutch yung tira ni Mitch. So we need this to win the match. If they make it also. Eh, mabagal to brother. Uphill.
Ha?
We're giving it diretso. Uphill.
Diretso ha?
Yan, mabagal yan. Galing!
Uy, may konting kaliwa. Pwedeng left inside.
Pwede.
Oh, sayang. Mahina! Sorry partner, nyo na nga. Pag nananashoot nila to, all square. Tie lang yung lap match. Kailangan ulitin. Uy, bumuli! Malaki pa pala yun. For the friendship din, for the friendship. For the friendship or for the marriage? Ang tanong. Ano mas matimbang? Parang ano mo na, i-firm mo na talaga. Huwag mo na ila-ila. Ay well, ba? Depende sa gusto mong gawin. Yun ang hirap dito. Ang laki ng binali, no? Yan yung Rory na hindi mo alam kung gusto mo i-firm or gusto mo ilaylay. To tie the match! Oy! For the friendship! Try mo yan, no? I-firm mo. Mo. Ayun.
Kailangan yan parang medyo ano lang.
May ano?
Hindi kailangan laylay.
Good game. Nanalo pa. Okay, nanalo tayo partner. Good round partner. Okay.
Over. At least
2-0 ang ano. Meet up and team up. Yay! Panalo kami ng partner ko. Grabe yun ah. Ang sakit naman nun. Ang lapit.
Ang lapit na eh. Ang laki nung ano. Tapos binidyo mo pa?
Oh.
Ang laki nung break.
Bray, salamat sa pagbigay ng misread. Good round.
Sa butas eh.
Oo, hindi. Mahirap talaga eh. Yun yung pag-iisipan mo talaga if-firm mo o hindi eh. Oo, ilalay mo, i-firm. Thank you very, very much, Pat. Sobrang nag-enjoy. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Thank you very much.
Okay, lagyan na. Thank you.
Nice shot.